I start with the name of God. I'm going to start with you first a news I published here on my channel. If you will see July 27, if you can see the date here clearly. And in July 2027, I flashed this news. I posted on my Discord channel, and you will see I mentioned this post few stocks name XOM, Mara, energy heavy Bitcoin miner benefit from energy surge. So it was a deal. Breaking news: US European Union trade deal just announced. And then I posted one Mara, Soundhound AI. Price was $10. You can check on the. I'm not verifying any information here because the chart is not in front of me. I want you to go, please, on your chart, check the date, and if you are already in my Discord channel, you will check this post in your Discord and check the price of Mara in July, Soundhound, and SMCI path. So this is my, again, matter of my interest for this video path, because I mentioned path but it didn't go very well. If you will see the chart of path in July, April, right here, actually it go right there, something about here, July. So it go down and coming back, it go up all the way up to $15. But I'm still bullish on UiPath. Why? Because this company have a great setup right now. It is an AI company, first of all, because I'm already trade AI. This is the world of AI, this is trend of AI, and I am going with AI stocks. And it's a 1.49 billion in revenue in the last 12 months, 6.85 billion market cap, and 82% gross margins, and recurring subscriptions business. They have a business like have a subscription like a Netflix, but this is for businesses, not for retail. And OpenAI, NVIDIA, Snowflake, and Google collaborations. A long history of AI in UIA path. So I make a strategy for here, swing trade strategy. If you will see a longer time frame weekly chart, this is first, second. Let me see here very quick. If you will see here, RSI going up, one bottom, second, and if we'll go up here, it go all the way up here. And if we go here in the daily chart, you can see this is my daily chart and convert into 4-hour chart. And 4-hour chart, so I go up all the way up here, you can see. But still I have feel a move in my chart. This is why I posted in a Discord channel again the strategy for let me turn off here general watch list. So this is a reversal entry 1247, 1262. What's the price right now? 1290. So in my humble opinion, I don't care to go back to, because when I made this strategy for you, I use these indicators: EMA crossover, Bollinger Band, Ichimoku clouds, triple EMA, VWAP, EMA crossover. So you see how messy the chart is. Even if I get a bigger map, it's very messy, nothing to understand. But I break down this one by make it simple. We can remove everything from here. So trading in my understanding, trading should be as simple as an elementary kid or high school kid should understand what I'm talking to you. So it should make as simple as possible. Like even the junior level student can understand the chart. So if I can show you to any kid, he can tell me, yeah, if I teach him, hey, when you buy when the price come on this line and sell on this line, he will just buying here, will not selling, nothing, sell here, come back, buy here, sell here. So whenever price come this line, buy, this line sell. Simple, no indicator, no guessing, no at all, zero. But we make it a little more precise with these indicators, and I make an entry like here with all these indicators. So this is my target first, second, and third. We already achieved the target first, but now we have a breakout entry, 1349. So we're waiting for 1349. Either we can buy, I'll buy here in the reversal or at breakouts. Or long-term buy, I don't think the price will go here honestly, because I feel like 18 plus is our target. So this is for U path, the new strategy for you today, and we will meet you again after 1 to 3 months. We'll see where the U path will go. And always stop loss is very important. If I will buy here, stop loss here, only 50 cents. Buy here, stop loss here. Buy here, stop loss here. And if I buy options, I'll buy option $12, $12.90, maybe $13 options, and I'll buy $11 options. Simple. And when I made this video, I also made an entry because I am doing what I do with my money. So when I made a video this last time, so I made the entries here, and same thing I'm doing here with my U path. So I'm going to add more in my entries. So second thing is here, you can see the guys. So we're in a profit, and then next, I'll be more happy if you will be also in a profit. Second is AMPX. I mentioned my Discord channel. Hey guys, you can go back to watch the entries of videos. I don't need to make a new video. I go here, type AMPX in my Discord channel. AMPX. This channel is free. In the month of September, you can happy to join. But in my mentor told me one day, hey, if you offering free things, people will not care. I don't know. You tell me. So people don't care. AMPX. So AMPX. I give this strategy of AMPX in 23rd. Price was $10. Buy zone, buy zone, buy zone, and breakout is $12.06. Did you buy? Because it's a free, you think maybe it's not work? We'll meet you after September. So AMPX. Okay. So price is right now $12.75. So we only bought here. Breakout has happened, but there's one more entry is possible. Breakout entry, because it's confirmed by daily candle. Breakout is already confirmed, and I can buy after breakout. And my targets, again, you can see here. And my target is more than 20 or 24, honestly, for long term. This is for 1 to 3 months. This is for AMPX. So this is 2 stocks we discussed, and I'm going to discuss 2 more in the next video. Wait for me. One for ALAB, and then second is lithium, USAAR. I'll show you because my voice is getting down. I cannot talk more than 10 minutes, so honestly. So I'm tired. Let me get rest. Make another video for you for USAAR and ALB and maybe one more stock. Thank you. Bye. God bless you.